Carrot juice is a nutritious beverage that offers several health benefits. Here are some potential benefits of consuming carrot juice. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Carrot juice is a concentrated source of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and biotin. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, promoting healthy skin, and contributing to proper cell function. Eye health. Carrots are well known for their high vitamin A content, which is crucial for good vision. Drinking carrot juice regularly may help support eye health, prevent night blindness, and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Antioxidant properties. Carrot juice contains antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and other carotenoids, that help protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Antioxidants play a key role in reducing inflammation, supporting the immune system, and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Digestive health. Carrot juice is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Heart health. Drinking carrot juice may have a positive impact on heart health. The antioxidants and potassium present in carrot juice can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and support overall heart function. Skin health. The antioxidants in carrot juice, combined with its high vitamin C content, can contribute to healthy skin. Regular consumption of carrot juice may help improve skin tone, promote a youthful appearance, and protect against skin damage caused by UV radiation. Detoxification. Carrot juice can aid in detoxifying the body by assisting liver function and promoting the elimination of toxins. The fiber and antioxidants in carrot juice support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to cleanse and purify the system. Weight management. Carrot juice is low in calories and fat while being rich in fiber, making it a suitable addition to a weight management plan. The fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating, and can support healthy weight loss or maintenance. Hydration. Carrot juice is a hydrating beverage that can contribute to your overall fluid intake. Staying properly hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including circulation, digestion, and temperature regulation. Boosts immune system. Carrot juice contains immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C and antioxidants that help support a strong immune system. Regular consumption of carrot juice may help strengthen the body's defenses against infections and diseases. It's important to note that while carrot juice offers numerous benefits, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, should be mindful of their carrot juice intake due to its natural sugar content. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized advice and recommendations based on your specific needs.